Alright, well, this was the next one from these. I just put the boxes back down for demonstration to show where it actually came from. It is Thursday. Um, it's kind of late. I'm going to be uploading this Friday morning. So, this is when I'm opening. It was supposed to be a Pokemon celebration thing, booster packs, but I had two of these in here, and this was the next random one that was chosen. So, give me a moment to open this up, and we'll see what we got. Well, this is the Fusion Strike one, as you can see here. I've taken the cards out. It's from the Sword and Shield series, which I got tons of them probably by now on my playlist. So, let's see what we got. Standard code card, dealing with that later. Sandslash. There's 264 of these cards, not counting the gold, secret, and all those. Oh, holy hell. Yep, this is going to be fun. Don't have that one. No, that one is cool. Sweet. A trainer card. Nice. One energy. I don't have that one, I don't think. I could be wrong. I definitely don't have this. I remember that artwork. Cool. Alright. Oh, sweet. That's cool, Eevee. Panseer. Cool. Oh, sweet. I like that holographic. Yeah, won't disagree with that. The last one is... Cool. I wonder if this is the same one that was supposed to come with my Trick or Trade one. It looks just like it. I can't tell. It's from the same series, 204 or 264. So cool. All right. Well, well, there you go. And I will have you a great day. So everyone, goodbye. And who knows when my next card reveal will be. All of these, sorry, tired. As I said, it was late. All of these are my extras. I didn't have these scheduled for anything at the moment. So it's up to my leisure when I release these. Unless I really do get some requests for a random card opening. So, alright, let me show you the order of which these will be opened next, so at least you have an idea. I'm doing another celebration next, followed by an Evolving Skies, and finishing it with the other two celebration. When I do upload, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, you know the order. Alright. Let me go put these back into their respective pack sleeve or case or wrapping. So, for later use. And I hope you have a great day. And goodbye, everybody.